What's up, everybody? This your boy Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So on my YouTube channel on Wednesdays, I do a live stream that's called Wine Wednesday, which I have the lovely ladies that come on and they talk about current events, talk about a lot of things that's happening in the world, also a lot of tech talk. Well, today they sent me out for my birthday a gift for me, and I'm going to unbox this and let y'all guys see what it's all about. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. All right, guys, so let's go to the unpackages and see what it's all about. Now, if you watch my Wine Wednesday, I already done this live on the air, but I wanted to show you guys a real close-up and to show my appreciation to the ladies of Wine Wednesday of giving me this gift. Now, if you don't watch my Wine Wednesday show, please check it out every Wednesday night. So let's take this out of the package and let y'all guys see exactly what the ladies have sent me. All right, so here's the case. Beautiful, beautiful, authentic, nice case. Thank you very much. Very good case. Now, when I pull this out, man, I want you guys to look at this. Look at this. Would you look at that? This is beautiful. So what this is a customized band for my Apple Watch. All right, so look at that. This is so nice. I mean, this is the best thing that I ever had right here. All right, look at that. Customized. All right, I really want to give a huge shout out to the ladies for coming up with this idea. This is beautiful. Just beautiful. Look at that. And it has the Easy Computer Solution logo on the top and bottom. It got get your popcorn ready. And I want to get y'all guys a real good close-up of that. And when I take it out of the package, all right, oh man, this is so nice. And I mean, thank you ladies very much for this gift. I always wear my Apple Watch, and I got an old band on here. So let me go on and take the watch off and put the new band on. All right, so I took off my old Milanese band and I'm going to just slide the new band in. I mean, look at that. Slides right on in. Just perfect. Just perfect. Wow, look at that. It blends real good with my iPhone 10 and also with my iPhone 8. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. That's beautiful. Just beautiful. I want to give a huge shout out to the ladies from Wine Wednesday. Kymmi AKA Scrumptyous, also CatWomam, and I got Emily D. Baker. All three of them VIPs on this YouTube channel. I am very humble, and this is nice. Look at that. Just beautiful. Get your popcorn ready. Wow. Yes. Thank you very much, ladies, and I really do appreciate everything that you guys do for my YouTube channel. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. I want to give a humble thanks to all you guys that watch my YouTube channel, that support me, support the cause. Also, the ladies from Wine Wednesday. And here we go. I want to give you guys a big toast for the ladies on Wine Wednesday. Thank you. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about all this stuff. Listen, I love doing this stuff. I work very hard at this, and I really appreciate the things that y'all guys give to me. Thank you very much. Peace.